Right, I'm going to try and just get a bit of time on this anyway. So you can see, got to dress this edge out. That bit is creased down because that bit in there is squeezed in. So the outside of that needs to come out a bit, and then that'll pull that out, and then that will allow to go from a bend to sort of straighten up again. So you look at that bit there, compared to the other side. That's why. So just got a small scissor jack in there, so you wind that out, well, stretch that way at the same time as dressing this out. Basically, it needs messing around with hammer and dolly for a while, so I'm just going to sort of record some of this on stop motion and then snip a few bits out, which hopefully will see it get more of an alpine shape. Right, again, you've got to get this black stuff off the inside because it stops you trying to sort of keep it flat, especially on this contour. So we're just going to clean up all under here and on the inside edges. And now I'm going to drill this ring out because that's going. I've got the donor one there. And then get this as straight as possible and probably have to weld in a little bit on the top there. Now I want to lift this up, so what I'm going to try and do is just stick something underneath the front and underneath that top wishbone and just jack it up in between in the middle and then hit this down. But with the jack nearer this end, the force will be under the bodywork rather than suspension, so it'll be easy to put that down. I might do it on that edge of the lip of the seam there. I'll see where it sits comfortable.
You're around these people, what's actually happening is like they're all getting donations from this, and donations from that, and gifts from that, and it's always managing these relationships with all these money people.
Well, it looks a little bit more rounded anyway for now, so it's a bit high there and still a bit crinkly there. I'll sort that out when I start welding this up, but I've got to speak to the owner because there's a couple of other little bits and pieces. I mean, not a lot, the shell is pretty good, but there's just like a couple of bits in there. And similar that I've got to have a bit of attention to. But anyway, more of that coming soon. This was just a short thing because I've been trying to do loads of jobs in between stuff. But again, I've got to do everything at once. Plus I've sorted out a load of engines because I've got a few engines to do. But yeah, thanks for watching. More soon.